Hi guys, this is David with Contact Window Cleaning, and I want to introduce you guys to my window cleaning services that I've been operating here in Dallas, Texas for over 15 years. Now, I primarily do residential window cleaning here in Dallas, Texas, and the two things that I pride myself on the most are quality work and quality communication. So if you guys want to just take a few minutes, I'm going to show you my entire window cleaning process, as well as how to request an estimate from me. Easy enough, you can fill out my online form, or you can call me. And at the very end, I'm going to show you how we have easy payment processing that I send to your email link. So our window cleaning process consists of 6 steps. That's pre-washing the window, buffing out the glass. We do our final wash, squeegee the solution, then we wipe down the frame and then detail the window. So I do this pretty fast. Like I said, I've been doing this for 15 years. And right now I'm buffing out the glass, which is an essential part of cleaning the glass. This is what polishes the glass to a perfect shine. I buff out the entire glass surface, and afterwards I do the final wash on the window with the microfiber strip washer, and there I just detail the frame, and then I squeegee the solution off the frame and detail the corners and edges. Now I do this process to every single window, and that does include detailing the frame and detailing every square inch of the glass. As you guys can see here, I have the best ladders. I have a stabilizer bar. Never rest any type of ladder on your gutters. And at the very bottom, I have my ladder levelers for uneven surfaces. And with every house, there's unique access points. I've got the right equipment. I have poles, I have ladders, I have everything that I need to clean any type of house here in Dallas, Texas. As you guys can see here, I'm using 2 sets of ladders to reach the very top windows. This house has some unique window access points where I have to climb up the second tier of the roof to reach these high up windows, and I never rest my ladder on gutters. I always protect the gutters with my stabilizer bar, or what is otherwise called a standoff bar. So right here, I'm using my pole, my extension pole, to clean these transom windows. Now a transom window is a high up window or a window above a larger window. And whenever I'm cleaning glass or windows, doors are always included with the service. So if I'm quoting your house and you have a door, that is considered a window. And as you guys can see here, I'm detailing the corners and edges, and I've got my very efficient process to clean these windows perfectly. Afterwards, here's some transom windows, large transom windows that I'm cleaning. I'm just showing you guys kind of a fast forward process of my cleaning system. And these are very large plate glass windows. I always buff out the entire glass surface and detail the glass afterwards. So the biggest thing that I want to show you guys is the extra details that I provide in my window cleaning service and the experience that you're getting when you contact me to clean your windows. So if you guys have any questions, you can call me, you can email me at david@contactwindowcleaning.com, and I'd be more than happy to provide you guys with a free estimate or answer any questions that you guys have.